this.
Who's that?
The Green Lantern.
That's right. That's the Green Lantern. And we'll do another easy one for you.
Okay.
Who's that?
Flash.
That's right. That's the Flash. All right. Another softball. Here you go. Who's that?
I want water.
I kind of gave you that one. All right. Who's that? He's the bad guy. Who is it? Who is it?
It's the bad guy.
What's the name of that bad guy? Who doesn't Batman really like?
He white Joker.
Joker.
Right.
That's right.
Who's
isn't
that?
it?
Batman
And what's Batman say?
guy.
What's Batman say?
He Joker.
It's over, Joker. And who's that?
Superman.
And what's Superman say?
Yay. Go beyond.
What did he say?
It was a mix between what he wanted it to be and what Buzz Lightyear says.
Oh. Going away?
Yes.
That's what
like
he said.
Go.
Wow.
Go away.
No, Superman says up and away.
Up away.
All right, tougher one. Who's this?
A cat.
Close.
Meow.
The Catwoman.
Catwoman.
That's a woman.
And who's this? See you later.
Who is that? Oh, he was listening to the iPad. That's Nightwing.
And who's that? Who's got the bald head? He's got no hair. Who is he?
What's his name? He gives Superman a hard time. What's his name?
Lex Luthor.
He had Superman hard.
He hit Superman hard?
No. Yeah.
All right, come on. We're creeping on 3 minutes here.
Oh, I think that's all the good ones, really.
All right.
So,
He had a hard.
yeah.
All right, Liam, and what does Buzz Lightyear say?
He go, hey. Again!
To infinity and beyond. Oh, wait, who is that?
Oh.
Who's that?
It's a tough one.
A tough one.
All right, the end.
That's my little parrot.